'cause your friends found you out when you broke down and cried, and the bright coloured balls that you held inside weren't the answer, no, not the answer. It's no good anymore when you know all the rules, 'cause your friends pushed you out and they all look like fools, and the stories they sang from the inside weren't the answer, no, 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 not the answer. I'd like to help you but the past that, I'd like to help you but it's too late. I'd like to look around the corner just to find what I could say. Well, how do they pluck us off with sore fingers again with you? Hopefully another little interesting ditty for you. Right then, boys and girls, this is a song called The Answer by a band called the Guess Who hail from Canada, and they came to fame in the late 60s and had quite a lot of success in the 70s. Okay, you can find this song on YouTube. It's called The Answer. Okay, and I'm doing it in the same key. Okay, standard tuning, no capos. So let's get to it. So the introduction and most of the verse is two chords. It's an E minor 9 and an A13. So don't worry about the names, don't be frightened by the names. The way we're playing them is quite simple. Okay. For the demo I did the intro, 2 verses and a chorus, and that's basically everything you need to play this song. There's another verse and obviously another couple of choruses, and an outro, which I shall show you later in the lesson. Okay. But basically you've got everything in this lesson to show you how to play the song complete. Okay, so the E minor 9, I'm playing the top E string 2nd fret 1st finger and the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with my 2nd finger, and what you do is you play the bottom E string open, then the 3rd string open, and then you play the top 2 strings together. Okay, right, got that? That's E minor 9. Now the A13 is as easy. All you need to do is bar the top 2 strings on the 2nd fret with your 1st finger. You play the 5th string this time, the A string, again the 3rd string open, and again the top 2 strings together. So you got, put those two together and go round and round. Okay, E minor 9, A13, E minor 9, A13. Okay, so you've got this. And that's the intro, 2 times around. Then we go into the verse and it carries on doing those chords exactly the same for 3 lines of the verse. Okay, so we'll just do the intro and then we'll do the first 3 lines of the verse. Okay. Right, here comes the verse. It's no good anymore when your hands are tied, 'cause your friends found you out when you broke down and cried, and the bright coloured ball that you held inside. At this point it changes and we strum an E minor 7. That's all I'm doing for an E minor 7 strum is 2nd fret of the 5th string. All the other strings are open. So that goes, that's the 3rd line of the verse, and the bright coloured ball that you held inside weren't the answer. That's that E minor minor 7 strum. Answer, no, no. And on the 3rd no, you play an A minor 7th with a top E string 3rd fret. So it's an A minor chord, lift up your 3rd finger, open up the 3rd string, So it's first on the second, second on the fourth, 5 downwards, but add your pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret. Okay, and all you do for this chord is to arpeggiate it down all the way 5 downwards, then take the pinky off, play the top E string open, and then the second string. So okay, so far from the 3rd line, and the bright colour, I've lost it, here we go. And the bright coloured ball that you held inside, with the answer no. So again, once again, and the bright coloured ball that you held inside, with the answer no. And then finally, the answer is C minor 7th. A bit unusual for this key, but it's C minor 7th. And what I'm doing there is I'm barring the 3rd fret of the first 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string. Okay. First 5 strings bar first finger. Then second finger's playing the 4th fret of the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger's playing the 5th fret of the 4th string. Okay. And all you do is you strum, arpeggiate down, strum from 5 down to 1. Slow strum. Okay? And that's not the answer. Right, so the whole verse. Let's do the whole thing. Intro first. It's no good anymore when you had the tide, 'cause your friends found you out when you broke down and cried, and the bright coloured ball that you held inside were the answer no, not the answer. Okay, hope you understood that. And then we've got this little riff. Let's do this then. So, the way I play it, I'm playing on the 3rd string, G string, 7th fret, down to the 5th fret on the 3rd string again. So, then I'm going up to the 8th fret of the 4th string, the D string. Now you can use your pinky or your 3rd finger, whichever is more comfortable for you. And then to the 5th fret on the 4th string. So, okay, then we go to the 6th fret on the 4th string, to the 4th fret on the 4th string. So you got repeat that. Okay, then we got this little quick bit. That's the 6th fret on the 5th string, then the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then the 2nd fret of the 5th string. So it's like I'm playing down with a pick, down, up, down. Right? So now you've got this. Slow it down even more. Then what we do is we hammer up from 2 on the 5th string to 4 on the 5th string to the 2nd fret on the 4th. So now you've got this. And finally we go to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string, to the 2nd fret on the 4th string, and you can pull off, or you can just play a single note and do that, or you can just go single notes. And finally we play that 4th fret on the 5th string. We end up on that 4th fret of the 5th string. So it's that's 2 bits. Okay, so the whole thing slowly. So let's start again, sorry. And then we just do the 2 chords again, the E minor 9 and A13. 2 lots. And we're into the second verse, which plays exactly the same as the first verse with different words. Okay, so let's get to that point, all the way from the beginning, yeah? It's no good anymore when your hands are tied, 'cause your friends found you out when you broke down and cried, and the bright coloured ball that you held inside was the answer. No, not the answer. So then we do another verse. So with 2 lots of that, just like the intro, 2 lots round. That's 2 lots of this. Then we start the second verse. Right? It's no good anymore when you know all the rules, 'cause your friends push you out and they all look like fools, and the stories that you sang from the inside room were the answer. No, not the answer. Now with another little riff, but it's a lot easier than the first one. It's that, okay? So you go from 3 on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, up to the 5th fret. Then you go to the 2nd on the 2nd string. The 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so 3rd fret, 2nd string, back to the 5th on the 3rd, back to the 3rd on the 3rd. So you got that. Okay, so from that 3rd line of that 2nd verse, where it goes, and the story from the inside. But the answer, no, not the answer. Okay, and then we go into the chorus, right? The only thing left is the chorus, and it goes into a C major 7th, okay? I'd like to help you, but you're past that. It's C major 7th to D minor 7th. Now the way I'm playing the C major 7th is to bar the 3rd fret, and we've got this shape, which is 2nd finger playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, 3rd finger playing the 5th fret of the 4th string, and pinky playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Should sound like that. C major 7, and then we play a D minor 7, which is exactly the same shape as that C minor 7th that you played at the end of the verse. Okay, but up 2 frets on the 5th fret. Okay, so you've got that where it goes. Okay, so it does that. You do that little riff. I'd like to help you, but you're past that. Back again. I'd like to help you, but it's too late. I'd like to look around the corner just to find out good. Right, so it's just C major 7th to D minor 7th, C major 7th to D minor 7th, C major 7th to D minor 7th, okay? I'd like to help you, but you're past that. I'd like to help you, but it's too late. Again. I'd like to look around the corner just to find what I could see is an F sharp minor 7. I'm playing it as a bar on the 2nd fret, and the third finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string, and it's like da 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 da. Okay, so I like to look around the corner just to find what I could do. Da 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 da. And then you go to an F major 7th and do the same thing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That's an F chord in a simple F with your bar lifted up, top E string open. 4 downwards, or I like to play it with an extra finger. This third finger up the 5th string, 3rd fret. Pinky taking over on the 4th string on the 3rd fret. 5 down to 1, top E string open. So it's an F chord with the top E string open. And it's the same thing, go da 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 da. So it's F sharp minor 7th with a da 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 to an F major 7th. Da 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 da. Then we're back to the 2 chords again, the E minor 9 and the A13. And off into another verse or whatever, you know. So that's it basically. The only other thing I can tell you is right at the end of the song it does the chorus twice, one after the other. After you've done that, how to help you, there's another chorus straight afterwards, straight into that chorus again. And then at the end of the song, when you've done the second chorus at the end of the song, and you're doing the da 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 da, like to help you, you do wrong. Da da da. It just keeps doing those 2 chords as well, and fades out. Da 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 da. I'd finish on a, just carry on a few times and do a C major 7th. Now, I just wanted to show you another way you can play C major 7. It's a C chord without the 1st finger. C major 7th, so it's a C chord, standard C chord, take your 1st finger off, 5 down to 1, and the D minor 7th can be, instead of playing it here like this, you can play it like an F chord, simple F chord without the 3rd finger. Take your 3rd finger off, leave the 4th string open, 5 down to 1, so you can open 5th string, open 4th string, barring the first 2 strings, 1st fret, 1st finger, and then 2nd on the 3rd. D minor 7th. So if you can't manage this, where it goes, I'd like to help you but you're past that. I'd like to help you but it's too late. I'd like to look around the corner just to find where I could help you. I'd like to help you but it's too late. I'd like to help you but it's too late. I'd like to look around the corner just to find where I could see. I'd like to help you but you're far gone. I'd like to help you now but it's too late now. I'd like to help you now but you're too far. Something like that. So that's an easier way of playing C major 7th and the D minor 7th in the chorus. That's okay. So whichever way suits you best. There's no right and wrong way. Whichever suits you best is the right way. Okay. So there you have it, boys and girls. My take on the answer from the Guess Who. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.